Hi, this is Rob. The Keurig K-Elite Coffee Maker Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Brewer. This coffee brewer is a single-serve brewer that uses K-Cup pods. The coffee brewer comes in 3 different colors: brushed gold, brushed silver, and brushed slate. In this video, I will talk about how to use the control panel, how to brew a cup of coffee, and what is descaling and why you need to descale this coffee brewer periodically. The control panel. The power button. It will turn green when the coffee brewer is on. The settings button. In the settings, you can set the clock time. You can set the temperature of your coffee. You can adjust the temperature from 187 degrees to 192 degrees Fahrenheit. You can set auto on time. Auto on sets the brewer to turn on at a specific time. You can set auto off time. Auto off automatically turns your brewer off 2 hours after the last brew for energy savings. You can also program your brewer to shut off in 15-minute increments after your last brew or remain on all the time. You can set high altitude brewing. High altitude brewing ensures that the brewer works properly at higher altitudes, 5,000 feet or above. The strong button. This button increases the strength and bold taste of the coffee's flavor. The hot water button. Have hot water on demand for instant soups and oatmeal. Brew size buttons. Select your brew size. Your choices are 4 ounces, 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces, and a 12-ounce travel mug. For the travel mug, the drip tray can be removed to fit a 7.2-inch travel mug. Iced coffee. The iced coffee button. Brews hot over ice. Makes full-flavored and delicious iced coffee. Remember, if you get any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in buying this, please use the Amazon links below. How to brew a cup of coffee. Pour water into the water reservoir up to the max fill line. Place a mug on the drip tray. Lift the handle and place a K-Cup pod in the K-Cup pod holder. Then lower the handle completely to close the lid. If you want a bold taste, press the strong button. Press the strong button before selecting the brew size, because once you select the brew size, the coffee brewer will begin brewing. Now select the brew size. It takes about a minute to brew your coffee. Descaling. You should descale the brewer every 3 to 6 months. When either filtered water, tap water, mineral water, or bottled water are used for your coffee brewer, there is a high chance that the coffee brewer interior needs cleaning. This is due to the buildup of minerals such as calcium and magnesium, which accumulate along the makeup of the machine's heating element and other internal parts that come in contact with water. Cleaning these minerals is called descaling. Scale is non-toxic, but left unattended can hinder brewer performance. So descale the brewer every 3 to 6 months. Calcium deposits may build up faster, making it necessary to descale more often. In the owner's manual, there are instructions on how to descale this coffee brewer. The owner's manual says that you will need an entire bottle of Keurig descaling solution. There are other commercial descaling solutions you can buy, or you can make your own descaling solution with stuff that you already have in your house. Search the internet on how to make your own descaling solution. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this coffee brewer.